Eliud Kipchoge, let's keep an eye on the clock, into the final 20 seconds. Eliud Kipchoge, on his shoulder, 140, the unofficial time.
There's his wife.
Eliud Kipchoge storms into the history books in Vienna. 1:59.40, the unofficial time. The first man to run a marathon in under 2 hours. One final lung-busting stride for Kipchoge.
Just near me here is Radji Chinyanganya, who's eventually going to get his microphone under the nose of Eliud Kipchoge. And you can see here Fran Miller bringing him forward. And there is Eliud Kipchoge walking just past our commentary and studio position.